July is over and August has begun, and it's already buzzing with Google Pixel leaks. There's been a ton of talk about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, especially with the release of the first German promo video and a bunch of marketing images. All of these have given us a glimpse into what we can expect from the Pixel Fold's successor. And just when we thought we had enough, a recent leak from Android Headlines has shed some light on its availability. To add to the excitement, we've got our hands on official Google render images, courtesy of leaker Mystery Lupin, and they're completely watermark-free. As of now, pre-orders are set to kick off on August 13, 2024, coinciding with the Made by Google launch event. Following this event, customers can expect to find a range of new products available for pre-order on the official online store. However, there are notable differences in the release timelines for the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro compared to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and Pixel Buds Pro 2. At this time, details regarding the availability of the Pixel Watch 3 and any potential pre-order promotions remain under wraps, although Google is known for offering attractive deals. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, along with the larger Pixel 9 Pro XL variant, are anticipated to be readily available starting August 22, 2024, meaning those who pre-order on August 13 should receive their devices by that date. Unfortunately, this timeline does not extend to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the Pixel Buds 3 Pro, with reports indicating that the foldable device will not ship until September 4, while the new earbuds are expected to be released even later, on September 26, over a month after the launch event. The leaked information suggests that this year's deals will be different from the previous years. Instead of receiving a Pixel Watch 2 or a pair of Pixel Buds Pro when purchasing a Pixel 8 phone, customers will now be offered storage upgrades. This approach is similar to what Samsung is currently offering, where customers who pre-order a phone within a specific window will receive a higher storage variant for the price of a lower one. These deals are expected to be available at most authorized merchants in France, with different offers potentially available in other markets. Additionally, users who purchase a Pixel 9 Pro, Pro XL, or Pro Fold before December will receive 12 free months of Google One A Premium, while those who buy a Pixel 9 will get 6 months of the service. It's worth noting that customers in the US or other markets may still have the opportunity to receive a Pixel Watch or Pixel Buds as part of their purchase. These new deals aim to entice customers to join the Pixel ecosystem and take advantage of the latest offerings from Google. The upcoming Pixel 9 series from Google has been the subject of numerous leaks, with the latest one revealing the company's new 45 watts charger. Although it's unlikely to be included in the new phone's packaging, it's expected that Google will offer it as an optional accessory, especially at launch. The leaked images of the brand new 45 watts charger surfaced yesterday, showcasing a design that differs significantly from the current 30 watt charging adapter offered by Google. One of the key differences between the two chargers is the wattage, with the new 45 watt charger promising faster charging speeds for your devices. However, the higher wattage also suggests that it may come at a higher price point compared to the current 30 watt charger, which is priced at $25 on the Google Store. It's anticipated that the new 45 watt charger could cost anywhere between $30 to $35. Google is unlikely to bundle the new charger with its Pixel 9 series phones, following the trend of previous generations where only a USB-C charging cable was included. Instead, Google has typically offered the charging adapter as an optional purchase for users who require it. This is expected to continue with the Pixel 9 series, so if you're looking for faster charging speeds, you may want to consider getting the new 45 watt charger when it becomes available, possibly at launch. The majority of consumers may not pay much attention to the shape of their phone chargers, but Google certainly does. The new rounded pill shape of the charging adapter is specifically tailored to complement the design of Google's Pixel 9 phones, giving it a sleek and modern look. With the charging adapter now appearing taller and the Type-C port relocated to the bottom, users will find it more convenient to plug in their devices. The cable now exits from the bottom of the charger, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces where the adapter is connected. For instance, if you have the charger plugged in behind a nightstand, the new design ensures that the cable won't be strained when you push the furniture back. This thoughtful adjustment in design enhances the overall user experience and convenience. While the images of the adapter shown are for the EU model, it is likely that the main design will remain consistent across different regions. Google's attention to detail and focus on user-friendly features are evident in this updated charger design. Apart from this, numerous leaks of the Pixel 9 have surfaced, revealing exclusive information about the upcoming devices. Recently, official renders of the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold have been unveiled, showcasing the devices in various colors. These renders, shared by tipster Arsene Lupin, offer a detailed look at the Pixel 9 series smartphones without any watermarks, providing a fresh perspective on the devices. Let's delve into the details of each phone, starting with the Pixel 9. Available in green, obsidian, porcelain, and rose colors, the Pixel 9 features flat sides on its frame, front, and back. The pill-shaped camera island on the back houses 2 cameras, while a display camera hole is centered on the front. Google maintains the placement of the power/lock key above the volume rocker on the right-hand side, ensuring a consistent design across the Pixel 9 series. Moving on to the Pixel 9 Pro, which shares similarities with the Pixel 9 but offers additional features. Available in hazel, porcelain, obsidian, and rose color variants, the Pixel 9 Pro includes an extra camera on the back and a larger display compared to the Pixel 9. The Pixel 9 Pro XL mirrors the design of the Pixel 9 Pro, but with a larger form factor, catering to users who prefer bigger smartphones. Lastly, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the company's upcoming foldable device, is showcased in obsidian and porcelain color options. As the largest device in the lineup, the 9 Pro XL that sets it apart from the rest of the Pixel 9 series, catering to users looking for a cutting-edge smartphone experience. The upcoming Pixel 9 Pro Fold is set to have a distinct appearance compared to its counterparts. One noticeable change is the unique camera island positioned in the top left corner on the back of the device. This design sets it apart from its predecessor and aligns it more closely with other book-style foldable phones in the market. Recent exclusive previews have also revealed the phone in a promotional video, and it has been confirmed that the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be notably thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 6.
I can't stop looking at it. All eyes on me, ain't nothing they can do about it. Every time I do my thing, they talk about it. No matter the mood I'm in, I love when I move like this. I can't stop looking at it.
So, what are your expectations from the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.